Hey loves, it's Shelby. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. So today I wanted to hop on here to show a quick flip through of my scripture writing planner. I mean, you could call it a journal, but hey. So essentially this is my 2022 planner that I was using at the beginning of the year. And then I bought a happy planner and decided to start using this to do my scripture writing. And I have really enjoyed doing it in the planner. It is a great way to make sure I stay on track and that I do my scripture writing every day. I have had opportunities, or not really opportunities, but times where I have missed writing my scripture writing for the day. And so I like just being able to see, hey, I missed Thursday, let me write 2 verses today kind of thing. So I do really like having it in the planner for that reason. It helps me to stay more accountable with my scripture writing. I really have loved the way that it turned out, so I did want to share that with you all today. You will notice on the month page I did go ahead and create a sticker with the scripture plan that I was writing, and then the second scripture plan I did was actually the bookmark that you see in the video. So I have been doing the Woman of Faith scripture writing plan. It's really like a Bible reading plan, but I've been doing that as a scripture writing plan, and that's what I've been working on most recently. And now it's time for me to find another scripture writing plan as I am wrapping up that reading plan. So I've really enjoyed it. I do actually like being able to take the time to find different reading plans and decide what theme I want to go for the month. So it's been really nice, and I really like the fact that I'm getting exposed to additional scriptures that I'm not reading currently, since it does take me quite some time to read through during my Bible study, since I like to read through a book at a time. But I've really enjoyed this, and I feel like it is helping me to learn more about the word. If you guys have any techniques that you are trying to learn, that you are trying out to learn more about the word, please do drop below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And as always, you guys stay safe and stay blessed, and I'm gonna let Rose take us out. Bye.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.